What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One Ahead of Smartphones unboxing videos. Today I got the iPhone 12. It did come in this cool looking box. Just wanted to show you guys how cool it was inside. Check that out. Your phone is sitting there nice and in place. The way to take that out, if you wanted to save the box by pulling these back, boom. So here we go. This is the new iPhone 12. They are trying to reduce their carbon footprint. And so that's why they got the smaller box. And let's go ahead and dig right in. Taking off the lid. Looks like there's nothing back here. Nothing on this side. Here we have the device itself. We'll take a look at that here in a second. As you guys can see, there is a couple things that you might notice that are missing. First one being, what we do have is the cable, the charging cable, and then we have our reading information. There's nothing there. Only it's got the SIM eject tool. Only comes with one sticker instead of two. So if you want two stickers, you're gonna have to buy another phone. So there's those. And then what we are missing out of here is the block for charging, the little wall plug adapter that goes to the charging cable, and then the headphones. So the way Apple explained this is, oh, well, everybody already has the latest iPhone gadgets. We don't want to be polluting the world by releasing more headphones and wall plugs. I mean, I never have too many wall plugs, but maybe you guys do. Apple says everybody does, so that's where they're only sending a cable and then no plug and no headphones. If you wanted to get the headphones or the plug, you can find them online. Maybe they want you to upgrade and get the AirPods instead of just getting like the regular headphones. I don't know, but enough of that talk. Moving on to the device. So the device, pretty cool looking. It's got the new style looking cameras on here. It's got the two. This is just the 12, not the Pro. So this does have that glass back, glass front. The little iPhone, I guess, way back, the iPhone SE, I guess, is the latest one that still had the aluminum frame, but it has that glass on the back with the logo. Basic design here on the paper. Has a little cable or a charger for the charging port. It's got volume up and down, and then the silent switch and a power button on the side. Let's go ahead and peel that. Got that sticker feel on that front side. So there we have it. Nice look. It does have that squared edge. Volume up down buttons, mute switch. Does still have that little bit of color. Looking down at the bottom, some speakers, microphone, charging port, no headphone jack, no port for headphones. Look on the side, we have a SIM tray. No, it looks like actually one of this little sensor that is not a tray. And we have the power button on this side. Looking at the top, we got nothing. The SIM tray is actually down here where the volume up down is, the volume up and down buttons. And there's that SIM tray right here, if I can get it just right. So quick look at it. Different design. I actually don't mind this older style design, kind of going back to the old school squared off edge versus the rounded ones. I kind of like this a little bit better. So we'll see how it goes. There's a magnet in here for different accessories for wireless charging, that sort of thing. So I'll just kind of give this a rundown, use it for a bit, check it out, and see how much I like it. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Short and sweet. If you guys like to see tutorials on this phone, go ahead and check out that playlist on the iPhone 12. And thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.